Hello my friends, today we continue to talk about how to make 5K in your coaching business every month. And we are talking about the financial calculation. Before you start building your brand, you really need to set up your concept about the giving and receiving so that you do not create tons of content and didn't set up all the platform to receive the money and attention. So therefore, this is a series of videos which help you to understand which business model will work for you in your coaching business, what kind of video can you use to promote your coaching business and hit your numbers by the end of the year, and finally how to make 5K every month in your coaching business. So let's continue to talk about this. Today it's all about one-to-one business model. And my name is Voyevoda. I'm business and brand creator, and I help women entrepreneurs to brand their brilliance, to build the business of their dreams, and really understand who do they want to work with, get crystal clear clarity about their business and brand, and attract clients who they want. So if you want to have one, let me know. If you want to hear more about these topics about branding, business, mindset, visibility, please hit the subscribe button and follow this channel, because there will be a lot of information from my 20 years of experience in branding and advertising industry. So I hope to see you here on this channel, and let's continue with our topic, how to make 5K every month in your coaching business. So enough of fluff, and let's talk about numbers. So first of all, when we do the basic calculation, 5K a month, it's $60,000 a year, right? So it's very simple, right, to actually set the goal on $60,000 and be happy about that. Yet, when we talk about 5K in profit, it's not exactly like this, because we need to understand several things. The thing number one is all about how to calculate cost of doing business. So for example, you spend a lot of money on rent, on your electricity, on some equipment and many other things. Whatever you spend every month for your business will be a number for cost of doing business. That will include people who you hire, that will include the advertising cost, and so many other things. So first of all, you need to calculate the cost of doing business. And if you feel like you really can't figure out, I have the cost of doing business calculator, which is inside the freebie, the lead magnet, which is mentioned in the description. So subscribe to that little brochure. You will get a lot of information, a lot of useful links, including cost of doing business calculator. So if you want to calculate the cost of your business, what exactly do you spend on your business, you need to include so many things. And let's say right now, just to get the calculation, that we spend $1,000 a month for our business. So it's absolutely fine. This will include everything, including internet, including your phone, and so many things. It can be a different number in your case, but I will just use 1K for the comfort of calculation. And also I will add $8,000 insurance, because again, I need to have the round number. So I will add $20,000 a year to the number 60K. So right now, by my calculation with cost of doing business and with 5K a month, which I want to earn, this will be 80K a year. So it's a different number, right? So now I also need to understand that I will pay taxes. And because I will pay taxes, let's say it will be, I will not calculate $50,000, let's say it will be 25%. So if you will have 80K from and you will reduce the 25%, it will be 20,000. So basically you need to add 20,000 or maybe even more to get the 5K a month. So right now we have the figure which many people truly desire. People say 6-figure business, we want to make 100K a year. That's exactly the number which we come when we want to make 5K a month. So now we have to do at least 100K a year. Now, the next step, we need to ask ourselves one really important question. how much have you charged for your programs, how you have to build your programs the way that you will be able to make 100K a year. And we are talking about the number which you will get within 1 year, which means we will talk about the programs which are 5-10 months long. And we can say that if you want to sell this program for 10K each, we will also need to attract 10 clients a year. Obviously, if your program is cost 5K, you will need to attract 20 clients, etc. So your numbers are your numbers. You really need to understand how many clients you need to attract to achieve this 100K a year. It's very simple calculation. So you really need to understand what do you have in your platform and your receiving area to receive this particular money which you want. So it's very simple. In our calculation, it will be 10K package and 10 clients a year. So the next question, which is really interesting. How many connections do you have to make to connect to get this 10 clients a year? And this is a very interesting number. If your conversion rate is about 10% from the discovery call, that will mean that you will need to perform at least 100 discovery calls to receive the 10 clients a year. And that's a very interesting number because that will include your time, that will include the ability of conversion, because you can increase this number. Maybe your conversion rate is higher, so after the discovery call you convert every second client, then you will need less discovery calls. So again, this number will up to you. I will take 10% of conversion, which means 100 calls will give you 10 clients, which is a little bit tough because our next question is this. How many people do I need to inform that I have the opportunity of discovery calls? How visible I have to be to attract 100 people to my discovery calls? And now we talk about the visibility. Now we talk about how do you use video to promote your one-to-one program, because you have your number, you have the approximate idea how many people do you want to attract. You have the idea that the percentage of converted will be this, and you now have to think how many people do you need to inform and that you have this free call, this discovery call about your program. So when we talk about the standard statistics, that would be between 10,000 to 1,000 people at least, and we are talking about the ideal clients, we are talking about the target audience, we are not talking about the random people. So you really need to know your people, and the better you know your people, the better you know their pain points, the better you know their desires, the better conversion rate you will have. So it's not a secret that with video you will get better conversion rates because people will feel that they already know you, because they watched your videos, because you already repel the people who can't stand you. So the video is the best medium for your one-on-one coaching. And let's talk about this from the perspective of mindset, audience, technology, hero journey storytelling, and the strategy. So the first one is the mindset. So let's talk about the mindset which will help you to make 5K a month in your coaching business. And one-on-one is a very different business type because you really need to enjoy the process. You really need to love this one-on-one connection. And the best way to give a little flavor of that, how do you do, is actually one-to-one experience on discovery call, but before that is live video, so people can really enjoy seeing you talking to them. They can feel that they can understand you, they can feel that you are talking a lot of sense for them. So one-on-one is the best way to deliver this first flavor of experience. Therefore, for your mindset, it's really important to set up that idea, that energy that you are going live. The more the better. When we analyze this business model from the perspective of the audience, it's really important to build the brand experience for your audience so that they can see the connection between your ads, between your posts, between your videos, and then when they move towards the discovery call, they actually continue with this experience, and then they go deeper and deeper, then they purchase and they get even better experience. But the continuation of the experience is really important. Therefore, when you create your posts, your images have to be relevant to your videos and then relevant to the experience which you give them during the discovery call. That will increase your conversion rates because people will trust you more and more and more with every step. In terms of the technology, one-on-one business has one huge limitation for business growth. So you are, as a coach who deliver one-on-one experience, only have 24 hours in a day, just like all of us. And that's a huge problem because you can't get more clients to grow your business because you have limited time and you don't want to work 24/7, right? So you need to understand how you're going to grow your business, even if now it's not a case. So how you're going to grow your business? This particular model. There are two ways to do it. One way to do it is very simple. You'll raise your prices, right? So it's very simple. The amount of clients will remain the same, but your prices will be higher because maybe you will deliver them different type of experiences like retreats or something like that. But that's the method when you raise the prices. Again, it has certain limitations because, well, it's not the endless process. Now, let's talk about how you can grow your business by hiring people. So there are many coaches who make the pre-qualification process, attracting different coaches who work for discovery calls for them. So then you involve different experts and specialists who helping you during the program. So you are the main deliverer, you are the face of your brand, but people do make a lot of work for you and around you. So this is another way how to grow your business with one-on-one coaching. Therefore, if you have this in mind, when you will create the experience with your video, with your discovery calls, with the platform which you offer, with the product which you offer, you really need to involve the idea how you're going to grow your business, whether it will be price point, then your message will be, yeah, next year the prices will be much more expensive. Or maybe you involve other people and then you give them the urgency factor and you say, this time you can communicate directly with me and the cost of one-on-one with me is this much. This is the bonus, a really pricey bonus. So you can get it instead of talking to some other coaches who take the discovery calls. So it's again a lot of strategy about the technical aspect of this particular business model. How you can use video in this case in tons of ways. You really need to understand the quality of video for high ticket clients may need to be a little bit better. Therefore, you really need to be very strategic about the quality of the content which you deliver for this particular audience. And let's talk about the storytelling. The storytelling is always the key. The hero journey is always the key to the successful conversion during your calls, during your connection via video, because this story, when it is vulnerable, when it is emotional, when it is powerful, really can do the miracles. And I'll give you example of Lisa Nichols. She has a company which deliver a lot of coaching services, etc. But their connection, she is a connection builder. She gives her powerful and vulnerable story to convert people, to help them to connect with her story. And her story is painful and powerful, with wins and light and so many things. And therefore, the story can be really powerful to convert high-ticket clients for your one-on-one coaching business. So when we talk about the strategy for this particular one-on-one coaching business, you can really see that you need to build it step by step, and it really need to be the holistic approach. The most important part of this, if you are a known brand, really the brand who can give the social proof, it will be easier for you to convert people to such an expensive program. 10K is not an average price. So the more you're known in the market, the more best results you deliver, and you're known for these great results, the easier for you will be convert the clients. And that means that when conversion rate for your discovery calls is higher, you will need to spend lesser on your ads or lesser time to connect in groups, etc. So this strategy is really flexible and can be super powerful. So you can really spend less time and less money to attract these people and convert more people, just because they know you, because you are a brand, because they already expecting certain results from you, because they heard from other people. Because I will remind you, the brand is an image in customers' mind which people create on their own, based on the content which you share on different channels, based on the testimonials from other clients, and based on their own experience with your services or even with your free content. If you want to know more about this, build the idea about what types of different financial sources you can make. If you want to get a lot more different links, different interesting ideas, you can download how to calculate 5K a month in your coaching business, the ebook. The link is in the description. You will find a lot of useful links inside. And also, along with that book, I will share with you the series of the videos which you will get on your inbox. This particular video will come to your inbox automatically. So you will have the whole collection with you. So you will be able to calculate your financial goals based on the ideas which you have in your mind to get this 6 figures business, 5K a month, whatever you want, because in this case we use the 5K as example. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, ask them below. If you like this video, and I'm sure you do, you did, and I hope you will enjoy other videos on this particular channel, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button that you will receive the videos. We share 1 or 2 videos every week, and I hope to see you here and be a part of the tribe of this channel. See you next time. Bye bye.